before starting rigging, you need to enable the rigging extension. So you can go to preferences, go to add-ons, and search for Rigify, and make sure that this box is turned on. So I'm going to press Shift A, armature, and I'm going to do the basic human meta rig. I'm going to scale this and then apply the scale by Control A. Then move to the edit mode, and now we need to align the bones with the connector. So start with this one here and move it down, and make sure to turn on the mirror here. G, move it here, this one around here, this is knee, and go to side view. Okay, this one should go here. Okay, this looks fine now. I'm going to resize the big bone here. And this one. This is the shoulder bone, and these are for the arms. Let's align it from the top view. And we need to make the arm little bent. All right, let's create the bone for neck. Fine tuning the alignment now. Oh, I think this looks okay. I think this could be a little up. I'm going to go to object mode, select the, okay, select the rig and go to data properties and generate rig. So it's going to create a lot of controls like this. We can select the rig now, go to pose mode. Okay, before that we need to parent the object. So select, go to object mode, select the character, shift click on meta on the rig, right click and parent with automatic weights. Now you select the rig, go to pose mode and see if it works.